Alright, garlic's on the table. I don't think we need that many plates.
Yeah, that's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You eating, Dad? Bon appetit. You eating, Beethoven? I'm sure you'd love to. You washed your hands? Your hair looks nice. I like your hair. Very pretty. Try and clean the car out today, I think. You can't. What are you angry about? Yeah, we sold the roller coaster, guys. Goodbye. Not too bad. Okay, we're gonna finish the car now. Give it a vacuum. Like, is that Beethoven's hair all over?
Where? I think that
is it. It is.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. Oh, very dirty car. Give it a good vacuum.
Yeah.
Cleaned all the shoes out. Let's get the vacuum. Who's got my vacuum? Chalay's got my vacuum? She's looking around. Well, let's get vacuuming. Alright, so you're cleaning the car? Nice. When's it going to get dirty real quick? Everything is clean, you've done a good job. Day, honey. Wow. It'll be dirty. Look what Orisen's done here. Oh, okay. Mess after mess. Oh, Orisen, where are you? I think he's riding that electric without a helmet. Where is he? Oh, you got a helmet on, but never. It's not that tight. I think you need to tighten that the helmet on as well. Can you come and pick up your mess, please? Huh? What? Is out of charge that quick? Oh, it's got plenty, but if you're taking it to the park, you put it on charge. Okay, so the little ones over there. Yeah, vacuum the garden too, eh? Oh, let me pick this up. They're too big to go into the vacuum cleaner. I was clogged anyway. They'll just lock it and clog it. Ivy! Put it on charge, yeah.
Hey, Dad, look, it's sharpening its teeth for you.
Oh, what you doing?
Nope, it doesn't feel like talking.
Yeah, come back and you've really done a quick job. Good. You cleaning the bird cages, Oriel?
Yeah.
I'll put more vacuum in here. Got some lunch next. Oh, you fixed the wheels on the bird cage. That's good. Who's going to work out? While Mum's working out there. Who's going to work out here? Alright, no staying around, kids. Let's pick up the shoes. Get the shoes up so Mum can vacuum. Alright. ORIALs.
CHELECE.
What's this on the ground? ORIAL.
Hey, whose shoes is this?
ORIEN.
You don't want to touch it?
These are the same size as those. No.
So I think the clogs should go in this bin. That was pretty good. All our shoes. This is where it's stashed away. There's a lot of clogs, a lot of shoes. And more shoes. Where's the other shoes? It's tucked away.
Oh, I like.
Are you bringing more in? Okay. Nice, tidy cupboard.
You can't fit them all. You can't fit them all in. You have to jam them.
You have to jam on them. Oh. What's in here? Let's have a look. You tidied this up? Not yet. Oh, it's a little bit better. Clean the shoes, I reckon that we need runners and clogs. What can you do? Too many shoes. Cat's in the car. Cat's in the car. You just cleaned it.
Rolls where? Oh, their fingers.
It's like a
Whose finger?
Oh.
Let's try the bone. No, the ivy comes and flies on it.
She got onto the bottom piece and then she tried to bite ORIAL. ORIAL dropped the tray and then she went flying.
She knows how to fly.
Good fly.
I don't know what she wants.
She wants to fly. She wants
You want a body, mate? You've seen ORISEN, have you? Where's the bottom piece? Still getting washed? Yeah.
She wants this. Yeah, see,
Well, 1 minute she does kissy, kissy, the next minute, and then.
Hello, hello.
Greedy.
See, kissy.
Alright, who wants to take this outside?
Oh,
Alright, let me take CHELECE to take that. Big messy birds, eh? Yeah, these are new cages, yeah? You're trying to keep them new. Oh, you just tapped them on the ground. Honestly, Ivy? You really have to, do you?
Yes, she's serious.
Yes, that doesn't mean bite me, Ivy, at all. Where is she? Oh, here we are. Sneak it up on you. Okay. I thought you finished in the garage. It's going to tighten the cage up so nobody gets out. The screwdriver's in there. I want her to get out again, huh? That's all right. I'm just going to fix it up. Yep. What do you got to do now? We'll just have some lunch, I think. Yeah, lunch. Clean, just mop the floor. Okay. Luna's made a mess in here. Oh, yeah. Toilet rolls. Sure not. Oh, I'm wondering where this toilet rolls are going. Yeah. Makes a mess. Okay. Where's the bucket? There. Okay, this is toilet roll. Lunch soon. Need to kill the germs. Okay. Okay, Chandelle, easy on that ice.
Thank you. No, where's Sean?
I'll come and help you. All right, lunch has been served. What are we having? Fish?
Pass me the.
Here you go,
Fish for lunch.
There you go,
With the
Chanaye.
side
Pass
dishes.
me a fork.
Let's get a few forks out, please.
where's Chandelle's plate? This can be Chandelle's plate. Oh, wait.
Make sure that the fish has got some salt on it.
Got it?
I'll get the salt out.
Frying kimchi.
Hey, we're gonna try something different. This is called kimchi.
Yep. There you go.
Kimchi? You like kimchi?
Tastes like a pickle.
No. You don't have a fork? Here's one.
Just on the bowl.
You can have kimchi with that.
She doesn't like
A bit of kimchi.
tasting.
Try some of that.
I actually taste a tiny bit of kimchi. I'll have the kimchi. That's the kimchi. I'll have.
No, you might say, what is kimchi?
That's it.
It's like,
Sauerkraut?
yeah, there you go. But hang on a second.
Pickles.
Tastes like sauerkraut.
It's sauerkraut.
There it is. Kimchi. Sweet and spicy. Yeah. Oriel, you can have it now. I'll just leave it right here.
Sour and spicy.
So what do you think of kimchi? Has
Tastes
everyone...
like sauerkraut.
I want some water? Okay.
No, this is bad. Kimchi tastes like.
How's it going, guys?
Good.
So who likes kimchi?
I do.
Oh, you all like it. And I haven't even tried it.
I like it.
You like it? What's it? It's just like a
kimchi.
It tastes like a
kimchi. Oh,
kimchi. It tastes like a pickle.
I broke the thing. You got enough fish there, Oriel? Want some more fish?
You got some on your plate here.
That fish is good, isn't it? Was it barramundi, isn't it? Yeah, barramundi. Leave your water here so you don't spill it.
Hey, look! I got a whole pickle.
You can't go sorting it out.
I know. I just found
Right.
it.
Kimchi and barramundi.
Not crunchy pickle.
Spinach.
Yeah. Not crunchy pickle.
Kimchi, baby likes kimchi.
Yeah. See this left in there.
Must like the tangy taste in it.
What?
Kimchi. It's called kimchi. Can you say kimchi? Crunchy. Yeah, same thing. Crunchy, kimchi. Pretty close. It's not gonna kill it.
Your pee? Where's your pee going? Where's your pee going? Water. This fishy has developed a lump the last week.
I know.
Still going strong, but it just can't swim properly.
Yeah.
Just goes like
It has a
that.
bump on its butt.
Yeah, so it's either a tumor or it needs to be soaked in some salt.
No, fed it a few worms. It likes worms. It doesn't have to struggle together. One snake.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with your fish?
I don't know.
Operate.
Operate 911.
Get your doctor to operate. Anesthetics.
Anesthetic.
Really friendly fish though.
Yeah. It used to follow your finger. But now,
Still eating well.
yeah. Should I drop another piece in
Yeah.
It loves to eat. I'll drop 2.
It likes the worms.
But when it...
Have we got a light here?
See, look at her. Is it a her or him? It tries to...
There we go. Mario. It ate it?
No. No, it's
Can't get up there.
He waits for him to sink down the bottom. Strong fish, though.
Yeah, very strong.
Yeah, it's got a lump there. Orien, get a couple shines for me, please. Yep. She wants her shoes. She's angry. Alright, what's next? Shampoo. That's an Aldi thing. Conditioner. See if they got it. No dog food here. What happened to the dog food? Oh, Beethoven. Here they are.
They got your shoes. They got your shoes.
They don't got it. Where's their shoes? No shoes for you. She's gonna be angry. It's all Oriel's fault, baby. It's all Oriel's fault.
I found Chandelle's shoes.
Alright, we're done here. We're done. You wanna go to the play center? Yeah? Let's go. As he's angry, she doesn't have her shoes. She cried the whole way. Yeah. Yeah. They found. What am I missing here, guys? 20 games.
Look how weak this is. 19 now.
I've got 14.
Look how weak this is.
Oh, man. Try a different one. Try one at the back, like one of those dinosaurs.
Okay, wait. Oh, I can't really go anywhere.
Who leaves all the credits?
No, look, I can't go anywhere. It won't let me. Just try.
Try for that. Chele's got 10 seconds. Go for one of those. Can I try?
Okay. Oh, these are super weak.
You can hook one of those other keychains.
Yeah, like go
So
here.
like that back one there?
Yeah, this one here.
Won't reach?
No. Oh, this one here.
What, you getting a turn, are you?
No.
2, 1.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Right. Finally.
Here, let me try.
Look at I one.
Yay, look at that.
Shake it.
Oh, she likes it. It's like, no, it's mine.
Baby.
7, 6, 5, 4. One.
No.
Oh, we got one. Yay, baby.
I feel you have to take it up.
You're going up to the top? That's so cool. Whoa, look how high you are. Look how high you are. You're getting so high. So high. Look how high you are. Look. That was so high. Can you do this one? Want to go high ropes?
My favorite highlight.
What's your favorite? That's your favorite.
She's up there. Hi. Having fun? Oh. What happened here? Not feeling well.
Oh, like this morning in a pool?
Yeah, Chele's what, fainted, did she?
Well, she was ugly.
That was just
Early morning.
Early morning.
Doing some exercise with Dad, and then you like your eyesight went all blurry and you blacked out. Yeah.
Like black.
Well, you
Yeah.
felt weak, and I think the
All of a sudden it got
adrenaline.
really hot, and then boom, I was out.
Yeah, I think Chalay's sick too, so
Yeah, you
she
could,
feels a
you could
bit
have
warm.
a bug,
actually.
yeah.
Orion,
That's really-
start. Hi, Orion. Hi.
Where is he?
Over there, that it. Chandelle.
I think I'm good.
Chandelle. She can't hear me.
No!
Orisen.
Oh, it's in there. Oh, he's there.
Here he is.
Hey, he's going for his leg injury, eh?
Yeah.
Quick.
Look, Orion's developed a new swing. New ride.
Yeah, he's not bad. He's the only one doing that, to be honest. Good or bad.
Oh, he hasn't been told off yet.
No, they haven't seen him.
They're too busy. Orion's stuck. They fixed their jumping castle, hey? Right. You don't want it? Time to go. Let's go. No. You ready to go? Not feeling well? You got a headache? What's up? That's a headache. Nice. Who's spreading it to?
You spread it to me.
You do that.
Let's go.